How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode or video. So today we are going to be taking charge of this big package that I got. This package right here is vinyl wrap. We're about to be ricing out my Central because right now I don't got the money to buy myself a whole freaking carbon fiber trunk, because they do make a carbon fiber trunk for this car with a wing and a carbon fiber hood, but again it's like crazy expensive. Right now we're just going to get rid of this ugly bad lighting. We're just gonna get rid of the bad black, just give it a nice carbon fiber look. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm going to take off all the emblems, take off my plate, take off the Nissan logo, take off the reverse lights and everything, take off this, and then get the car ready. So clean it up, you know, probably clay bar it, wash it a little bit, so that way we can have a nice even surface to lay the film, and then start laying the film and everything, and then we'll do the hood. The hood is not bad. You can see that I had that one little chip right there, but yeah. And then we're going to put the wheels back on the car and drive it out, so that way I can clean the garage, because the garage is a mess. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is just a complete mess. So yeah, let's get to cleaning this trunk, take the wing off, and get everything ready. So first things first, you want to do is take off all the emblems. Now the way I'm going to be doing it is using a heat gun, applying some heat onto it so the adhesive can you know, come off, and then we'll just use something to pry onto them so they can come off and everything, and then do that to all the emblems and clean up the trunk, and then like I said, continue to take off the rest of it. So we already took off all the emblems, as you can see. I got rid of all the adhesive, so now it's nice and clean. Took off this one as well. I am going to be putting them in the mall bag so it could look nice, and so you can tell it's a Nissan, so you can tell it's a Sentra, so you can tell it's a SER Spec V. But yeah, so now I'm going to take off my plate, take off these, and then take off the wing. We're going to wrap the wing first. I feel like that's going to be the easiest, and then the trunk. Maybe the trunk first, whichever or. Okay. Alright, so I already took off everything from the car that I needed to take off. So we took off the reverse lights, we took off the wing, we took off the plate, we took off the emblems, everything. So now it's time to clean it up nice and clean. Make sure that there's no dirt, there's no little bumps or anything, and then start wrapping the trunk. I think I'll wrap the trunk first, and then I'll proceed to wrapping the smaller stuff like this, and then the wing. So here we have the carbon fiber wrap. As you can see, it's a nice glossy, not high glossy, but glossy black. So it is gonna be wrapping the hood, that, and the wing. Now we don't have enough, then we won't wrap the hood, but I did order 5 feet by 8 feet, so hopefully it is enough, because I believe it's just 1, 2, like 3, almost 3. That's not gonna take a lot, and that's just gonna take like a foot. So hopefully we do have enough to wrap the hood. If not, then we just leave it how it is. Alright, so Sammy and David just got here. It's pretty late already. So we got the top part on already. We're gonna be nice and ricey, like all the Honda Civics out there with their fake carbon fiber hoods. You can see that there's some bubbles, but it don't matter because we're gonna get a real carbon fiber hood. I mean trunk, that's just temporary. So David and Sam right now are working on tucking in the carbon fiber into the trunk. And as you can see, you want to make sure to give yourself a good amount of space to be able to tuck it in. Sammy over here, wrapping expert. Right, Sammy?
Yeah, bro.
First time wrapping the trunk, we got some bad scratches, but again, it's okay, it's okay. We got some little bubbles.
Oh, is that T-turbo?
But now we're working downwards, and then we still got that piece to finish wrapping, and then the wing, and we're done. Sammy over here is hitting us with the expertise about wrapping. Sammy is wrapping the wing now. It's coming out nice. We're gonna be nice and rice this summer for the car meets. The trunk is already wrapped.
It ain't nice.
But it ain't right, it ain't nice, right, David?
Yes,
David's a
sir.
Honda boy, so he wants a Honda Civic hatch.
I burn myself.
And then David decides to hold the heat gun from the metal part, so he basically burned himself.
I burned this, 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 and this right here.
Oh, baby.
We don't know where we found Sammy, but Sammy apparently knows how to rap.
Put it down, put it down. There you go.
All this time of YouTube really paid off.
Well, I've been nothing but beating my meat in the house for like the past few months.
She's just become a rapper now.
Pull
There's
it
your
up,
job.
baby. Pull it up. From here, from here, from here.
Sammy looks like a whole
Let
rapper.
me try this. Let me try this. I'm trying to heat it up just.
Instagram, Sammy the rapper, but with like the W.
Pull it in, pull it. Okay, now start pulling it down.
Lil
Pull it down,
Sammy
pull it
the
down.
rapper.
Hold up, yep.
Huh?
Lil Sam the rapper.
Little Sam the rapper.
Yeah, look at him. Look at that technique. You don't find that technique anywhere. This man was born to rap.
They're not the lyrical kind.
Yeah, not the lyrical kind, but the...
Fuck that, I don't need that shit.
Oh, he said some. I'ma use this shit bare hand.
Hold up. No, you're fine, David. Keep laying it down like you were. Yep. Stop.
Yeah, look at this man. So Sammy, the expert, the one that ended up wrapping the trunk and the wing and everything, did an amazing job. Obviously, it's not gonna come out perfect because we did not sand the bottom, but look at the wing. The wing came out good. Talking about everything was wrapped. So now it don't look janky with all the paint chipped and everything. Now it looks kind of decent. Now it looks like a decent car. So then later on we will get the actual carbon fiber trunk and the wing and the hood.
It's on fire.
Yeah, David burned his hand with the heater, but it's fine. He'll be fine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go hit that subscribe button and make sure to put that notification bell on so you never miss any of our new uploads. We're gonna try to upload more now that the weather is coming out with the 60s. But yeah.